I'll try that again. G'day humanoid life forms. Chewy here, bringing you a video in the series of subscriber choice destinations. That's right, you request the place and I go there. Today I'm heading out to the Bilpin Fruit Bowl to have an apple pie. Thanks very much to Monkey Butt. He's the man who planted the seed of this idea, haha, pun intended. And this is actually his chosen destination, one of his chosen destinations. So it's Thursday afternoon. It is an absolutely glorious winter's day here in Sydney. It's about 24 degrees Celsius right now out here. I got winter gloves on. Believe me, my hands are sweating. It's actually too hot for them. I shall turn on the recording at points of interest on the way. Right now, just a bit of traffic before I get up into the mountains. Alright, back soon. This is the little town of Richmond. It's got the obligatory McDonald's. We've got a little pub there. There's another pub down in the street there. Played a few gigs in that place. Got a really big cricket pitch or a football field or whatever season it is. At the moment there's nothing happening there. And that's about it. Well, we're leaving Richmond, heading to North Richmond. Yeah, I got the head nod. Cool. We're crossing the Hawkesbury River over into North Richmond. That river goes all the way out to the ocean. I think all rivers do, don't they? Isn't that the definition of river? And this is North Richmond. There's not much here. We're at the foot of the Blue Mountains. This road is now the Bells line of road. Up we go. Oh, while I'm doing this little slow bit, I'll talk about the other thing that I wanted to talk about. And that was something that was brought up in a comment yesterday by Ian Landsman when I was talking about my new front tyre. And his comment was about chicken strips on his back wheel. And I wrote back saying, well, yeah, I've got chicken strips too because I just ride on the road. I'm not on a track. Is it something that you are concerned about, having chicken strips on your back tyre, meaning that you don't lean your bike all the way over to its capacity? You're not scraping your pegs, you're not getting your knee down, you're just a casual rider like myself riding on the roads, maybe? Or is it something that you've copped some flack over in the past from other riders? Is that the first thing they look at when they look at your bike? Have you had people comment, oh, you got chicken strips? Because I have, and honestly I don't care. That's not something that concerns me. There's just a little run up the mountain here with a few decent corners. It's only a 60 km/h zone though, so there's only so much riding you can do, and it's a school zone, so I have to slow down to 40. Oh, damn it. Oh, maybe on the way back down I can do at least 60. Kurrajong Heights. Doing the speed limit back down there, mate, in the 80 zone. You were doing well over 80. Big view of the Sydney Plateau there. I'll come back and check it out later on the way back down. I might stop there and get a photo or two. Many years ago, I don't know why I said many, but I did. Many years ago when I was a bricklayer, right up there, up on some of those highest mountains, there's a mountain called Mount Wilson, and we worked for a year and a half on one job up there for the CEO of Rothmans. So I know this road pretty well. This is where the bushfire came up to, all the way up to here, 8 months ago. Pretty scary stuff. Not all of this was burnt, of course. Pockets were left untouched. Further up, about another half an hour ride, it's absolute decimation. Some places still there have not started to grow back, and other places have just started to grow back a tiny little bit. I'm not sure if there's been irreparable damage done. So the last time I was here was on Christmas Day of 2019, so about 8 months ago. I'll put a link to that video up here somewhere where you can see what this place looked like then. The Australian bush has an amazing way of regenerating, especially if you give it a little bit of water. Like all that was just burnt out. You can see it's regrowing. Exposes the shape of the trunks of the trees, the branches, which I absolutely love. However, when I came through here and it was all just smoulder and ash, it was absolutely devastating. I'll put a couple of photos if you don't want to watch that other video. Put them now. This is one of the businesses that was burnt down. You can see that it's being rebuilt. Tutti Frutti, just there. I'll show you some photos of that, what that looked like. And we're already in Bilpin. It's not that far. This was very haunting, this area. It's hard to see with the sun directly in my face. Awesome trees, love the shapes. Here we are at the fruit bowl. Time to get an apple pie and a cup of coffee. I think it's time to cue the music now.
Delicious apple pie, Mr. Monkey Butt. Pastry's really thin, crispy. The inside's not too sweet. Yeah, look, it just crumbles. Better than Mum's homemade apple pie. Tell you what, Helmet Head, the pork pie better be good to beat that, mate. That was sensational.
Well, thanks for picking that destination, Mr. Monkey Butt. I am thrilled to have eaten that pie. It was sensational, I've got to say. I don't know if it's the best apple pie I've ever had, but it's definitely up there. I can't remember a better one, and I've got a big one to take home for the family so I can have another bit later. Just a quick question. I'm thinking about upgrading the GoPro to get something that's got in-body stabilization or digital stabilization. My question is, do you think more people will watch my videos, or do you think it won't make any difference at all? I'm still using a GoPro Hero 4, I think it is, and it has no stabilization, which is why my videos always look so yeah, it's so rough and bumpy. Do you think I need to get a GoPro that has stabilization? Let me know what you think down below. Will it increase engagement with the channel? I don't know, maybe. Look at the way the light is reflecting off those beautiful sandstone walls. It's magnificent. Look at that Volvo in front of me. Little look out. And great time of day to do it. I can see Sydney out there. I'm not sure if I can see the bridge. I can't with my naked eye. I wish I had a longer lens. But anyway. Stop and have a little look. I'll take a couple of photos and show you what's going on. That's the best fun part of the ride done. Alright, humanoid life forms, I hope you enjoyed that. I know I sure did. Oh, there's a few more corners. That's about it. I've had a great afternoon. Thanks very much, Monkey Butt, for suggesting that location up at Bilpin. I hope you enjoyed the photos, hope you enjoyed the ride. I've certainly had a fantastic afternoon. I can't wait to do the next one. Alright, humanoid life forms, until next time, this is Chewy signing out. Be good to each other. Peace. What a mad little car. Chrysler something. Chrysler GSR.